Yes, this particular analysis we want to do now is for Cronbach alpha, that is for pilot tests. Now, this is a typical example of how a data set for one of the constructs in a pilot test can be. Now, in that particular construct, there are 6 variables there. Now, a research can have as many constructs as possible, up to 3, 4, 5, and each of them will have different variables. Now, each of the constructs will be tested on their own. Now, this particular construct is going to be tested. That is, the construct here is based on a questionnaire that was developed for each of these variables in that particular construct. And these are the answers that were supplied by the 20 persons that the pilot test was used on. And this is what we want to pass to the computer now to see whether we can rely on that the result of this, and the reliability test is the one that is going to tell us whether the questionnaire was actually understood by the respondents the way they have answered here. Now let us go to do the analysis. But first of all, let us now know exactly the names of the variables that are in this particular data set for this one single construct. Now, the first one here is culture. The second one is mindset. The third one is behavior, and the fourth one is capacity. The fifth one is skills, and the sixth one is attitude. Now let us see how all this will pan out by the time we do the Cronbach alpha pilot test for this one single construct. Now, as usual, we will we'll call up on the VSP statistical package, and then it's loading. Yeah, I finished loading. So we'll now go to the research data menu as before. Research data analysis menu. Research data analysis menu. So we click it open. We look for Cronbach alpha analysis, and when we click that, then we will wait. So yeah, we'll wait. It is coming. Yeah, the form is here. Now, what we are going to do is just simply to use this form to define what we already have in that thing there. So we let us good. Yeah, so okay, so now with this we can now visualize what we have. So the first one here is culture. So we type culture. Remember what I said in the introductory? If it is in capital, you type in capital. If it is in lowercase, you type in lowercase. Culture. If they are mixed, mix them, and then don't forget, comma is the separator, no space. Then the next one there is mindset. So we type mindset also. And then the next one is behavior. But we may not even take them serially like that. We can even take skills here now. Attitude, depend on the one that we want. Now let's take attitude first. Then we have just typed attitude now. We now take skills. And then we can now go to behavior. Behavior. And I think, okay, then after behavior we have capacity. Capacity. So with this we can now enter the dataset name, which is what is here, name of dataset file. We enter it as a Cronbach. Now you can see that this particular one does not discriminate whether you use a capital to type or you use a small letter to type this dataset file name. It will be accepted. The only one that discriminates is the variable names. So please let us bear this in mind whenever you are processing. Now, having done that, we now click, we click this, and then we now go to where our screen is, and then see, okay, that is it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's it. The data set used for pilot test is this: culture, mindset, behavior, capacity, skills, attitude. And then the descriptive statistics: culture, mindset, attitude, skills, behavior, and capacity. We just decided to do it exactly how we defined it. And then, of course, the correlation matrix also have this to do. Now, and then the pilot test result is this: the Cronbach alpha statistics equals to 0.937 and so on and so forth. And then the array is 0.884, 0.971, and so. Now, this is a very good result because in the first place, once a construct, the Cronbach alpha of a construct is above 0.7, it means that the construct, that is the questionnaire that was used to test that construct, it was, very good. That is, was reliable and consistently reliable. So that's it. So with this, it then means that our pilot test is successful, and the results will be saved to cvalue.cronbach alpha.txt. So that is a very good one. And of course, if we want to see where this is, just like others, we go to the file, then we can search for it. Now you can see it here now. This is the Cronbach Alpha. Yeah, that's the Cronbach Alpha. Is open. What happened to this one? So that's how you do the Cronbach Alpha. That's how you do the Cronbach Alpha. So you can see the result of the last panel that we did here. You can see the results. Yeah, so that's it. Wow, so